Alright, this is a quick video on how to use the Kinvolved app. What is Kinvolved? Kinvolved is a parent communication app Irving ISD has selected to be its main form of parent communication. It is connected to eSchool. That means all parents are already connected. There's no work you need to do to get parents on this app. How does Kinvolved work? The message you send on the Kinvolved app will automatically be sent to parents' cell phones and emails that they have on file. And when they respond to those texts or emails, it'll come to Kinvolved. So they won't have your personal phone number or you don't have to worry about digging through the emails. They will all be here on the Kinvolved app. Now, where is the Kinvolved app? It is on Launchpad. It is a white button that says Kinvolved on there. If you're having trouble finding it, just go to the search bar and type in Kinvolved. Once you click on that, here it'll have a dashboard that looks something like this. Three areas I want you to look at here. On the left-hand menu side, we have send messages, courses, and groups. First, let's talk about courses. Courses are pretty simple. You click on there, you'll see all your classes just as they are listed on TAC, and you can find your students that way if you want to message their parents. Now, let's talk about groups next. Groups, if you click on that, your groups will be empty because unless you've already made a group. In the top right corner on the groups page, you'll see a updated group, and that's where you can add stuff. Down here at the bottom of this screen here, you can see there's an example of one of the groups I've made just for my robotics team that I got going on here. And so you got two options on how to make these groups. One, if you click that upload a group, not update a group, upload a group. It's going to ask you to create a CSV file. All you got to do is download that little spreadsheet and copy and paste in names and IDs from the TAC. And it should not take very long. Then you just upload that in there. Now, if that's too many steps for you, there's an even simpler way to do it. If you go to the send messages section in the menu under messaging, if you already know like the names of the students that you want in your group, and if you type in the names of the students on two parents in the two parents bar, then it'll pull up that kid, but it'll pull up both of their parents, or whichever parents or whichever guardians that are involved on eSchool, and it'll pull that information up right there. And then once you send, so you can type in multiple people there, and once you send a message to that group of people, Kinvolved will automatically make that a group that'll be in your groups section. Once they respond to you, you go to the messaging section and click on Kinbox, and there you go. It's just your inbox, and there you can keep track of all the messages you've got going on. You'll also see a notification up at the top of the screen if somebody sent you a new message. And there you go, guys. Don't forget to check your messages. This is how to use Kinvolved, and feel free to email me if you have any questions, y'all. Thank you.